Welcome in, guys. I apologize for starting late. The previous break ran a little bit late. You will probably see why here. These 4-card packs of the Bowman Platinum are causing me fits opening with my gloved fingers this evening, so I apologize. But we will let people trickle in here. Welcome back if you were in the previous break. Welcome back if this is your first, or welcome back if you have broke with me before, and welcome to those new breaking with me. All rookies, inserts, parallels will be sleeved at a minimum. Big hits, which we had a few if you watched the last break, will be top loaded, protected, and shipped out to you in a poly mailer. If you happen to hit some big hits and want some alternative shipping other than USPS first class, definitely send me a message on eBay or Facebook, or my contact information is also available on my website of Insanespiv.com. Give it a couple more seconds here for people to get in late, since I started late, and we will go rip some packs of Bowman Platinum. And it looks like we are good. So we are ripping Bowman Platinum. This is Insanespiv's breaks. Break number 24. We have 1 Bowman Platinum Mega. We'll round out the break with that. And 3 Bowman Platinum Blasters. Looking for the ice foils inside the Bowman Platinum. Should have 2 autographs in the Mega Box. So, without any other waiting, let's get ripping. Good luck to everybody. If you have a player you're looking for or a team, you can always put those in the chat. Sometimes chat seems to bring them out of the packs. We did hit an auto in our first pack. It was a hanger box, but in our first pack of the last break. So let's see if we can do the same here. We have 4, 7, 8. That is what we should have in this blaster, is 8. We have 8 packs in the blaster, so we're going to stack them up for good luck straight up and down this time. This one seems like it wants to open a little better. I lied. These, I'm just going to cut the tops a little bit faster than me trying to find a side that wants to open for me. Don't like to cut. I would much rather rip them if they will allow me to, but these 4-card packs seem to just not want to rip for me. The 5-card packs in the Mega seem to open up a little bit easier, so hopefully we can watch that. Welcome back in, Brent. We start this break off with Bellinger to the Dodgers. We have Scott to the Phillies, Springer with the ice foil to the Blue Jays, and Diaz rookie to the Marlins. Pack number 2. Altuve to the Astros. Feliciano to the Brewers. Behind that, we do have our first renowned rookies. Spencer Howard to the Phillies, and Martinez to the Red Sox. I'm so used to ripping them, but I know from experience that these do not like to be ripped by me, at least. So we head with Robert to the White Sox, Salas to the Marlins. There's an ice foil, Ike to the Blue Jays, and Judge to the Yankees. This looks like a decent pack with what I have seen. We have Mountcastle, rookie in base. Mizziotti to the Phillies. There's a meteoric Mountcastle. This pack is definitely a nice pack. And behind that, we wrap it up with a Cabrian Hayes. So, heck of a pack there out of this blaster. 2 Mountcastles, one of which is insert form, and a Cabrian Hayes. So, Orioles and Pittsburgh getting some rookies they're probably looking for out of this pack. There's a meteoric Mountcastle. Working our way through our first blaster of this break. We have a Joey Bart rookie to the San Francisco Giants. Kerstad in the top prospects form. Carlson, rookie. Nice rookie Carlson here in the ice foil. And Trevor Story to the Rockies. So Cardinals are getting on the board with a ice prism Carlson rookie. This pack starts off with Spencer Howard, rookie, headed to the Phillies. And Tuna to the Nationals. Here's our first precious elements of this break is Martin to the Blue Jays, and that is followed up with a Garrett Cole to the Yankees. 2 packs left in this first blaster. We are moving right along. We have Kepler to the Twins. Foscue to the Rangers. Here's a little extra color maybe. What do we have? Nope. Just the ice. That's all the red in the corner. But it is a Casey Martin in the ice foil and top prospects form. And follow that up with a Ruiz to the Dodgers rookie. Last pack of this blaster. Let's see what this pack can give us. Started off with a Kershaw to the Dodgers. Beck Way to the Yankees. Oh, there's a numbered card out of the blaster. This one is numbered. The greens are numbered. Cavelli. This one is 186 out of 250. Headed to the Nationals. So first numbered out of this break is headed the Nationals way in the green ice, I believe that is. So nice Cavelli, numbered 2. The Nationals in the top prospects variety. Go ahead and put our first numbered up here and hope that we can just stack the back with numbered or autos. So congratulations to the Nats. We have Goldie headed to the Cardinals. So that wraps up the first Bowman Platinum Blaster of this break. And we will move right along. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These came out upside down, so we're going to keep them like that. See if that can give us some nice pulls. If anybody's superstitious out there and wants me to do something different, let me know. I will be more than glad to help you out with your superstitions and see if we can't pull you something awesome. Kershaw again to the Dodgers. Beck Way again to the Yankees. Torres to the Yankees, and Bogarts to the Red Sox. Moving right along with Kepler to the Twins. There's a Foscue to the Rangers. We have a Caraway in the ice form in the top prospects, and McKenzie, rookie to the Cleveland baseball team. Spencer Howard, rookie, headed to the Phillies. Antuna to the Nationals. There's another Precious Elements. This one's a nice one. Blaze Jordan, Precious Elements, headed to the Red Sox. Get that one. Sleeve. I like this card here. I like it a lot. I'm going to top load this. I will top load and sleeve a lot of additional cards while I'm sorting and packaging and shipping. I know you guys don't want to watch me sleeve and top load cards as much as you don't like me to struggle with opening these 4-card packs out of the blasters. So to save time, we will move on. Put the Blaze back there. Blake Snell rounds out that pack to the Padres. Here's a Joey Bart rookie to the Giants. Kerstad top prospects to the Orioles. Baez with the Ice Prism to the Cubs. And White rookie to the Mariners. Mountcastle, nice Mountcastle there to the Orioles. We have that guy to the Phillies. Meteoric Arias to the baseball team. And Garcia to the Nats. Sleeve up Mr. Mountcastle here. Had a few of him last break. Had one pack that had multiple of him, base and insert, so. Start this one off with a Lewis Robert to the Sox. Solace top prospects to the Marlins. There is Lofton and top prospects in the Ice Prism to the Royals. And Garcia, rookie to the Yankees. 2 more packs out of this blaster. Altuve to the Astros. Feliciano to the Brewers. Here is our first renowned rookies, I believe, of this break. It is Casey Mize, headed the Tigers' way. And Springer to the Blue Jays. Last pack of the blaster, number 2 of this break. We have Bellinger to the Dodgers, Stott to the Phillies, Ice Prism Bieber to the baseball team, and Carlson, rookie to the Cardinals. Moving right along, blaster number 3 of this break. We'll go upright this go round. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good luck on the last blaster. Habit just makes me want to rip these, but I know that it's just not going to be successful. Arenado to the Cardinals. Williams to the Rays. There's an Ice Robert to the Sox. And Stevenson to the Reds. We have a Dalbec rookie to the Red Sox. Bay to the Pirates, top prospect. Another renowned rookie, Clark Schmidt to the Yankees. And Darvish to the Padres. Rookie Contreras to the Braves. Pena to the Royals, top prospect. The Ice is Brasho to the baseball team. And Bichette to the Blue Jays. Kalinick rookie to the Mariners. Wells to the Yankees. There's a Bobby Dahlbeck rookie in meteoric form to the Red Sox. And a Strasburg to the Nationals. A couple nice rookie inserts here, I believe. Moving right along. Arihara to the Rangers in rookie form, top prospect form. Hernandez to the Rays. Altuve with a little ice action to the Houston Astros. And Jimenez to the Sox. We have Soto to the Nationals, Diaz to the Rays. There's a Pena in the Precious Elements insert. And wrap that pack up with a Scherzer. Next to last pack of the Blasters. And we'll move on to the Mega. Should have 2 autos in that Mega, so I won't complain if we get more than 2. Here is Sam Huff, rookie, headed the Rangers way. Haskin, top prospect to the Orioles. Soderstrom, top prospect with some ice added. And Ohtani makes an appearance in this break in base form. Last pack of the Blasters, and we'll move on to the Mega. Verlander to the Astros, McMahon to the Rockies, Alonso to the Mets, and Olsen to the Athletics. So that does it for the 3 Blasters. Get a little organization going on over here, and we will move on to the Mega. In the Mega, we are looking at 20 packs, 5 cards per pack. For me, they're a little easier to open, so I will try to rip these instead of cut them. That is my personal preference. And in this Mega, we should have 2 autos. So good luck everyone in the Mega and on the autos out of here. And we will get ripping. Move these guys back a little. This gives me a little more room to get these packs out of here. Should have 2 stacks of 10. First stack of 10. Second stack of 10. Empty box. Good luck, everyone. The 5 packs seem to rip open a little easier. As soon as I say that, they're not going to rip open a little easier for me. Well, we'll just go this way. I don't know what is wrong. Maybe I changed up gloves tonight. Did not have my normal gloves. Maybe that's what's affecting me. So Lair starts us off with the Royals, Martin to the Blue Jays, Brown to the Blue Jays. Our first meteoric is Perez to the Brewers, and we have Alonso to the Mets. In this pack, we have Donaldson to the Twins, Estevez to the Dodgers, Martin to the Pirates, renowned rookies, Spencer Howard to the Phillies, and Matt Olson to the Athletics. Working our way through this first stack out of the Mega, have not seen an auto yet. Bowman makes an appearance in rookie base form. There's a Machado to the Padres, Valdez to the Mets, Cabrera to the Tigers, and Stevenson to the Reds. Meadows to the Rays, Molnitsky to the Pirates, Jimenez to the Red Sox. There's a Precious Elements, Hassel to the Padres, and Darvish also to the Padres. Bellinger to the Dodgers, Sanchez to the Sox, Nunez to the Marlins. Ooh. Gold, meteoric, numbered, auto. There's our first auto. It is insert form. Luciano, numbered, number 10 out of 50. So the first auto out of the Mega is a gold insert auto, Luciano, to the San Francisco Giants. Numbered number 10 out of 50. So congrats to the Giants on the numbered insert auto with the little gold ice shimmer there. Very nice. Headed to the Giants. And we wrap that pack up with Merrifield. Altuve to the Astros, Robert to the White Sox, Johnson to the Rays, Burns to the baseball team, and also Jimenez, rookie, to the baseball team. Mountcastle in base form again. Martin, top prospects form. Ike to the top prospects form. Joey Bart. So there's another hit for the Giants. Joey Bart in renowned rookies. And Votto to the Reds. Sleeve up Mr. Bart in renowned rookies. And sleeve up our Mountcastle base again as well. So that is 2 of those, I believe, in this break. And the Giants are liking the Mega. They got the renowned rookie Bart, the signed, numbered Luciano. And we still got lots of packs to go here, folks. Marte to the Diamondbacks. Alcantara to the Yankees. Garcia to the Brewers. There's a green. Sanchez, that is a numbered card as well. Headed to the White Sox way. Green. Top prospects. 29 out of 99. Yolbert Sanchez to the White Sox of Chicago. So another numbered card coming out of the Mega. Nice looking card as well with the green. 29 out of 99. Congratulations, White Sox. And we wrap that pack up with Jimenez for the White Sox as well. Working our way down of this first pack of 10. And we have Mize, rookie, to the Tigers. Mena to the Cubs. Walker, top prospect form, to the Cardinals. Mitchell and Precious Elements, insert. And Scherzer, base. Chris Bryant to the Cubs. Cabrera to the Tigers. Behind that, Frasso, top prospect, to the Blue Jays. Gonzalez, top prospect, to the Pirates. And Ohtani, base, to the Angels. Second stack. Move it to the center. Should be an auto in this stack as well. Started off with Trout, base, to the Angels. Wilcox to the Rays. Cavelli to the Nationals. Baddoo to the Tigers. And Adele, rookie base. Had a sweet Adele pulled last break. Redemption out of Topps Chrome on that mixer, if you guys missed that. So there's our Adele for this break. I believe that's the first one, actually, of this break. Baez to the Cubs. Ginn to the Mets. Hassel to the Padres. Meteoric Gore to the Padres as well. And Mercedes rookie to the Sox. Bieber to the Cleveland baseball team. Hancock to Seattle Mariners. Romo to the Rockies. Behind that, there's our first Jazz Chisholm of the evening in renowned rookies form. Do not think we pulled any of him in the last break either, but here's one in this break headed the Marlins way. Renowned rookie Chisholm. That's a nice looking card too. Almost color matched there with the uniform and the marbly looking black and white there, so liking that one. Nola rounds that pack out with the Phillies. DeGrom to the Mets. Beard to the White Sox. Henry to the Diamondbacks. We have our first, I believe it's the first Tatis of this break, in base form to the Padres. And Pearson, rookie, to the Blue Jays. Yelich to the Brewers. Hearn to the Cubs. Bailey to the Giants. Here's a Precious Elements. Torkelson headed the Tigers' way. And Pache, rookie, to the Braves. Ian Anderson starts us off rookie form to the Braves. Dingler to the Tigers. Duran to the Yankees. There's our next auto. Second one of the box. Francisco Alvarez. Not a numbered auto, but an auto nonetheless. Headed to the Mets of New York. So nice Alvarez auto there in the top prospects form. So top prospects auto. Alvarez headed to the Mets. There is our second auto of the break. So we'll put the two autos up there. And following up the auto is Bichette. If I'm not mistaken, Bichette followed both autos of this break. Four more packs, is that right? Yep, this one and three more. Four more left of this break. And we have a Chisholm base rookie. Eder to the Marlins, Morel to the Cubs, Strasburg to the Nats, and Stanton to the Yankees. Three packs left. Let's pull something that you're looking for. We have Betts to the Dodgers. Lacey to the Royals. Behind that, Callahan top prospects to the Reds. Another renowned rookies. This one is Tyler Stevenson to the Reds and Bregman to the Astros. Next to last pack. How about we pull an extra auto out of here? That'd be just fine with me. That'd be awesome. We start off with a Blackman to the Rockies, Kirby to the Mariners, Green to the Cleveland baseball team, and we have a teal. The teal is numbered. It is numbered 157 out of 250. I believe it looks like it's headed to the Reds. It is headed to the Reds. Tyler Callahan, top prospects, teal ice. 157 out of 250. So we didn't pull an auto, but we did pull a numbered out of this pack. will be headed to the Cincinnati Reds way with a teal ice Callahan. Nice looking card there too. Very nice. Congratulations, Reds. And we follow that up with a Marquez rookie for the Cubs. Last pack of the break. Thank you for joining me. If you had fun, enjoyed it, come back anytime. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, shoot me a message on eBay or Facebook. Contact information is also on Insanespiv.com. The videos will also be uploaded to YouTube this evening. If you have any special shipping requests, also contact me. And I thank you guys for joining me. So last pack, Chris Sale to the Red Sox. Westberg top prospect to the Orioles. We have a beater to the Dodgers and a Precious Elements Paulson to the Athletics. Last card of the break is Jose Abreu to the Chicago White Sox. So thank you guys very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.